Okay, I'm going to show you how to create an update to send to your entire campus, and this would mean this update is going to go to students, to parents, to teachers, anybody that is a member of your campus. So this is your homepage in Schoology. You probably see your courses up here. If you go to recent activity, you will see this feed, kind of like your Facebook feed. If you click on update, you can type your message here, and remember this goes to students, parents, faculty, anyone that belongs to your campus. And see this post to box? If you click on this little magnifying glass, I have more choices than you do because I'm on all campuses. But if you go down to school, you will see your campus. Okay, so you just pick out your campus, select, and that message will go to everybody that belongs to this campus when you hit post. So you can type in a message. You can add links to Google Files or PDFs or anything you want to. You could even send an audio or an audio and video recording to your entire community, whatever you want to do. Once you hit post, though, just remember that's going to go to every single person in your campus community, students, parents, and faculty.